At the core of EventDoor is live broadcasting. In this video, we will go over creating a broadcast. Broadcasts can only be created on the organization level in hubs. From the organization dashboard, navigate to the Hubs section. If you haven't already, go ahead and create a hub. Once you have created a hub, click on a hub in the list. You'll see the side navigation has updated. Click Broadcasts. Here's where you will manage all your broadcasts for this hub. Click Create Broadcast. Give your broadcast a title and optional description. Add a start and end date. In the media section, you can upload a thumbnail and add tags. You can add this broadcast to a collection, where it will be displayed under the collection item that you select. Once you're done, click Create. After a broadcast is created, you will see it in the list on the broadcast page. Clicking on a broadcast will bring you to the Broadcast Details page, where you will see a preview of the broadcast when it's live, as well as the credentials for your encoding software. You can quickly copy the stream key and RTMP URL here. At the top of this page, you have the option to edit the broadcast. Clicking this will take you back to the Broadcast Settings page. That's how you set up a broadcast on EventDoor. To learn more and get started, visit eventdoor.com.